Well guys, it's a new machine day. Now it seems like I don't get done with one machine and I'm picking up another one. Oh well. Anyway, this is my latest adventure, if you want to call it. This is a Akita RMS9 radio arm drill. So it has a 9-inch column and a 3-inch arm. Morse taper 4. I think it's 3 horsepower. And has a speed range, excuse me, of from 50 to 1500. It has power down. Let's see, we gotta go down. It goes from 3, 6, 10, and 15. I don't think this machine's been used for a long time. Because as you see, I kind of started doing some cleaning on it already, but that's what the column looks like, you know, before I started. Then I get over here, I've done some work on it. So I think it's cleaning up pretty good. I didn't get about a lot of money for it. That's why I bought it, because it was cheap, and I needed a little bit bigger drill, because all I have is these two guys. Well, you're limited. You got like 8 or 9 inches. You can get 8 or 9 inches into a piece, and they're both Morse taper 3s. That one there is an old Buffalo Forge machine there. So I picked this one up. Gave $800 for it. And all the other ones I looked at, well, they were really nice machines, but they were 1,000 miles away from me, one direction, and you know, in that $4,000 to $6,000 range, and that's just not going to work for me. So, like I say, I got this guy for $800, and somebody is added on to the bottom of it. See, it has a riser. We didn't realize this till we was unloading it, but that riser's full of concrete. So the machine's supposed to weigh 3750, I think. Well, it's a little heavier than that with all that concrete underneath there, so that's a good thing. So I've been cleaning up. Here you can see spindle was kind of, well, like the column, but it's cleaned up quite well. I got some of the shifters arms off and things. Here maybe you can see that shifter up there. It's kind of the way they were looking, you know. Now I've been getting some oil on things, and see, it's starting to move pretty good. I'm just going to give it a little push right there, and as this takes off and goes, well, yeah, see there? Watch. Must not be level, huh? I'm not doing nothing. It's doing that by itself. But, I don't know. I think it'll work for me. There's the ways on the arm. I mean, there's no scratching or gouges in it or nothing like that. The head moves really freely back and forth. So I'm going to keep cleaning up on it, and I'll bring you back sometime when I got some things figured out, and then we'll have to get it wired up. Now see that top of that column up there where I've been working at, well, it's starting to look pretty good. So all right, see you next time.